Hello guys, this is John Michael, John Michaela.
Hey, there's only one archer queen.
Yeah?
John.
Why did you say you have two?
Can I use this?
Good naman. There's no barracks king.
Yeah? What's a barracks king? What's a hawk rider again?
It's a guy
Wala nag-train.
that is racist and he rides piggies.
Okay.
Hey, cheater! You lied. You lied. You're weak. I mean, you lied that you're weak.
He's weak. Look at that. Look at that.
Gusto nung ni Dark Elixir ko, wala pa ko storage.
Oh, that's a lot of dark.
That's what I mean.
No, that's a hog rider. Is it a hog rider?
Nanla ko na na.
Ligse.
Peka ka na.
Ligse.
Ang mo no ay Golem with Peka. Golem Peka.
Dark barracks.
Golem Wizard.
Bye guys. Bye guys.